you can also do is easily add around text inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro projects. So to do that, on the left side, you can see T as an option right here. So if I were to go around and choose this, I can go around, click anywhere and start typing. So I'm just going to go around and type in TutorTube right here. Just like this. I'm just going to go around, type in TutorTube, and there you go. So I've typed around the text. Another thing that you can do is you can go around and then click and drag out a range of text right here, and you can start typing right here. So once you do that, what happens is that becomes a text box range, and as you type, what happens is that it types in that particular length of area only. So you can see that this is what you have. You can click and drag to move around the text wherever you want, and you can go around, select out the text right here, and on the right hand side on the tool properties, you can see text tool options. So you can go around and choose different sort of fonts right here, and you can see that the selected font will be applied accordingly right here. You can go around, center line this, you can right align it, you can also justify it out according to how you want. You can work around with the font size and increase it out right here. And you can go around and let's say, for example, you can keep the size as 100, and this is what you have. You can also work around with kerning right here, so which increases around the distance between the letters, as you can see, and you can even auto kern it out if you don't want this. So you can go around and work around with the indentation from the first line. You can see that as I increase out the indentation to around, let's say, for example, 100, what happens is that it actually goes around and adds in, let's say, a line spacing. So 100 is not let's say a valid value, as you can see right here. So I can go around, increase it out. Let's see if there's 99, and there you go. So there's 99 points of indentation right here. Similarly, you can go around with line spacing, and that allows you, you can see that the spacing in between the lines changes out over here as well. And you can go around and then decrease this and increase it according to how you want. You can select the text out over here as well, and then you can go around, select out the color over here just like this, and you can choose around the color according to how you want, and that particular color will be applied onto the particular text right here. You can go around over here and you can see that all of the text colors changes out. So that is how you can add in text and work around with text inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.